lovely humans, and welcome to a new video. Today is Saturday. It is currently 11:20. I slept in. I really needed it. I had such a long and full week of work. It is so cold already outside, so fall is really here. I want to decorate this apartment, so I hope you guys are also in a fall mood and enjoy watching this video. I just put on this knitted vintage top, tucked it into these jeans. I got those at a market in Italy. It's just like dark denim, super comfortable. It has a seam. Okay guys, I did my makeup, some dark gray eyeshadow and some brownish lips. That's a mix I really like because it's like cool and warm. I like it. And I'm going to wear this jacket. It is really cold outside, so this is minimum the type of jacket that you need right now. And unfortunately you won't see much of my beautiful top. My first plan of the day is to go on a walk now and just find all types of fall decor in nature, like leaves and flowers hopefully, or some branches. And then I want to go and get a coffee because there's a cafe close to my house and it's so cozy, beautiful. It's only open on Saturday, so I need to take advantage of that and get a coffee there. Also take my book because of that. And yeah, super excited for a little me time. Let's go and get some decor. I would love some of these, but they're private. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my little harvest. I have this beautiful vase, which also I think matches fall. This huge jar, which I like to use for the kitchen. This beauty definitely needs to go in here, and I like to take off the leaves because those don't dry that pretty. I also have this one, which is similar but still a different type of shape. Very pretty. Look at the colors. We have the pink big flower, we have some of the berries, and then these things that just add a cool shape. I put it in my bedroom on my side table nightstand thing, and I think it looks so pretty with the yellow lamp. So this one is definitely a bit more sparse. There could be more, but I still think it's pretty with the glass. It looks almost Christmassy though. Overall, I'm happy with the two bouquets. That was a really nice fall activity, just breathing in the fall air, walking into the forest. And now it's time for a good coffee and reading my book and just like some cozy cafe vibes. So let's go there. Spent an hour at the cafe. Now I'm going to go grocery shop a bit for the weekend. Okay guys, I'm back from my grocery shop and this is everything I got.
We love our teeth, and then you can see all the other teeth. What is there? Are you too exhausted to talk about birthday week? What? Okay.
This whole time. Building a road.
Okay guys, I'm at my desk in my little atelier. It's a mess, but a creative mess, you know. I am making my friend a card, so we wanted to do an event, which didn't happen at the end because we were all too busy, but I made this logo for it, which is like a fossil. So just, you know, the beautiful shell and a little frame, and I printed that. It's this type of printing. You just scratch it and then you can print. So I have this, then I will write her something in here. I also want to print her name. Her name is Tamia, Por Tamia. So I mirrored it, and I'm going to just scratch that free so I can print that on the card. And I also have to do the por somewhere else. And yeah, then I can write her a card.
A hug. I said the layoff. Oh, could do another one. So I think grad night.
Yeah, sounds great.
Now we've already spoken to 6 kids, and he was so nonchalant to stand off. Treasurer, it looked fishy. They made you treasurer? Are they supposed to deposit all that at the bank? Teacher's rental. So she's staying for the whole day.
But in her water ball and was so
Something.
threw a party last night without.
It definitely works. Of course, it's not perfect, but that's the charm of it. I just didn't love the colors. Like, I changed this pink to a more salmon terracotta pink. But I like it like this. I think this sleeve is the least... It's the least defined one. But I still think it's cute. It's a cute, like, crafting idea, and it's fun to do. And I think I will write some words on it that I want to kind of meditate on this fall, and then hang it in my bedroom. Hey guys, I finished with the printing. I have my friend's gift ready. I hung my little leaf printing and I actually really like it. I want to try it with different colors and on different papers. There's a helicopter. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm just going to pick out some fabric scraps that I have left over to make some fall pillowcases. I will do it tomorrow morning, and I always find that it helps me so much to just take these 10-15 minutes to prep the fabric, the thread that I need, to see that I have everything that I need to make this pillowcase. And then tomorrow morning I can just sit at the desk and start sewing, and I don't have to look for the fabric and all of these extra things. So let's pick out some fabric. The first fabric that I definitely want to use is this lining, like wool lining. I think it's fake wool. Okay, you guys, it's already the evening. I'm going to leave to the party now. I just packed with cookies and I'll go there now. See you tomorrow morning.
Enjoy. Late lunch at Luke. It's your wedding too.
Yes, it is. It's my wedding too.
But like horrible they might be. Well, I have to learn to separate and shot you guys in the head. After blew his nose all over the damn place.
Okay, you guys, my cute little pumpkin is done. Got this beautiful brown bed cover and then this checkered bedding. And I'm super excited to see it all together with my little bouquet and the pumpkin. And then I think in the next video I will make some more pillows. I just don't have the insides here now, but I really want to make some more decor pillows. Okay guys, just look how much of a difference bedding makes. Especially the mattress cover, just the color. And with the little bouquet that I made yesterday and my leaf pressed art, I think it looks very fall-like. Of course, I want to make some more decorative pillows, and I only use this pillow, to be honest. This is a great start. lovely humans. I'm going to go on my fall date now. This is my little green fall outfit with my beautiful boots. And I'm so excited, the sun is out. It's going to be the perfect crisp but golden autumn day. I'm so excited to get some coffee and to just smuggle that popcorn and the guacamole into the cinema and have a cozy cinema date and enjoy the rest of this fall Sunday. I definitely still want to make more fall decor, to make some more pillowcases, and you know, also progress on the kitchen. So there will be a kitchen makeover soon, and once that's done we can really decorate the kitchen as well. Really hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to romanticize this fall and winter, then definitely subscribe, because that's what I'm trying to do. Thank you for watching. Bye.